Hello and welcome to this Checkmate in 2 chess puzzle. This one was created by C.H. Wheeler in 1877. See that black has the king, a bishop and 3 pawns. White has the king, a queen and a rook. White's turn. Can you see the checkmate in 2? Moving the rook to c5 doesn't get you a checkmate in 2. Black can move out the bishop and take that with the queen, but the king has an escape square. Then after that you can get a checkmate in 3 by taking the pawn. Moving the king to b1 doesn't get you a checkmate in 2 because black can advance the c-pawn. You can take that back with the rook, but then black can move out the bishop. You can then check with the queen, but black can block that with the bishop, and you can eventually move in for just a checkmate in 4. Moving the king to c2 doesn't get you a mate in 2 unless black moves the king, because black can move the bishop, and then move the rook down to check the king. The bishop can take that. King can then take back. Then the king can move, and then you can mate in 4 with the queen. Moving the queen to b1 is also a mate in 4. That can advance a pawn. You can then move the king, allowing the rook to be sacked. So then you can move in the queen to get the mate in 4. Let's take a look at the solution to this one. So pause the video if you need more time. To get a checkmate in 2 for white, you need to move the rook to a7. Black pushes the c-pawn. You move the queen to b2 to checkmate in 2. If black moves the bishop to b4, you can then move the queen in to take the pawn on a4 to checkmate in 2. And if black tries to move their king to a2, you can just move the queen to a4 to checkmate in 2. Okay, that's it for now. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.